What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today's a pretty exciting video. We just got a new house and I'm so excited. This is my first home purchase, so I'm actually really stoked about it. And on top of that, it's a 3-car garage. So a little bit of extra space to do more kind of Corvette projects and such. I'm honestly just so excited to have had this moment to get to this point with my wife, who has been supporting me through all of this, my family and all that. It's just, I'm really grateful to you guys, especially also, that have just kind of been going along with me on this journey. So I figured I could do a quick update in regards to kind of just what's going on in my life a little bit, what kind of things I have planned in the future for the channel as well, and things just, you know, with the Corvette that's gonna be going on. So first thing I'm gonna talk about though is the garage here. Now, like I said, it's a 3-car garage, so we have our 2-door garage here, and then there's a 3rd bay there. So I know it doesn't look like much. There's still a few things from the previous owner that they kind of left that I got to clean out. But I'm so excited about this garage because what I'm seeing here is a blank canvas that I can do a whole bunch of stuff to. And we're gonna, like, it's been my dream to have like a showcase type garage where you have all the nice lighting and all nice kind of walls painted and nice finish, and then like a really sexy like epoxy floor or whatnot. So this is gonna be a complete remodel over the next few months to kind of get it to that kind of standard, because I've always wanted that. I have the opportunity to do that now, and yeah, I'm really excited about it. The next few videos are gonna be basically redoing this garage, and they're not gonna be Corvette based, but I mean, it's automotive, and like, I'm taking care of the garage. So I'm gonna basically work my way from the top down in regards to redoing the ceiling and such, getting it all, it's got some wear on it that needs to kind of get fixed, and then going from there and putting some nice lighting. And I've already purchased the lighting already. I'll just kind of give a little teaser in regards to that. I'm gonna be using some hex lights. So I'm gonna replace these lights here with nice, beautiful hex lights that are gonna be really nice to showcase the cars and such. And then we're gonna go with a certain kind of darker color wall here to kind of help bring some really good contrast to what we're doing in here. And then obviously finish it off with redoing these floors. These floors are in, you know, they've seen better days kind of deal. But something definitely doable. Now, there's definitely a lot of work to do in this garage in regards to all the wear and whatnot. So this house had some foundation issues. They've been taken care of, but the shifting has caused a whole bunch of different things in regards to the paints and all that, cracking and such, that I have to go over and repair. And honestly, I'm gonna try to do as much of it DIY myself. So it's gonna be a journey because I've never done this before. So it's gonna be kind of new. So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. So that's gonna be the next few videos coming out, kind of just showing you the progress and journey of it over the next few months. And then from there, the next thing is actually gonna be dealing with this CE8 Corvette, my CE8 Corvette. So there's a few mods that are gonna be left to do on this car. One of them is gonna be one of them is probably gonna be the last big one that gets done to this car. And a hint to that is it has to do with that front bumper. So I'm not gonna give the details out just yet on it, but that'll be one of the last mods done to this car. And then it's, you know, there's not really much else that you can do besides stick a turbocharger or a supercharger on it, which I'm not gonna be doing for this car. But what I am gonna be potentially looking at doing is actually trading this car in, maybe getting an upgrade. I think it's getting near that time to get an upgrade, and I've kind of hinted at it in a few previous videos, what I'm kind of looking at. So we'll be potentially trading this car in for, let's just say, an upgraded C8 kind of deal. So we'll see how that goes and everything. I'll give you more updates later on. But I figured this would be a good opportunity to just kind of come in, kind of share some life experience that I have going on. I'm like super happy to get to this point in my life. I'm so happy that my wife and I were able to get to this point in our lives. I mean, it's a really cool accomplishment. I will be I will be honest, Financially, I should have made some different decisions when I was younger. I didn't. I'm paying the price for that, but I have gotten to the point, and now that, yeah, with my wife, we were able to make some really big moves, or at least for us, kind of deal. So I'm really super happy about that. So I appreciate if you watch this video. We have a whole bunch of different kinds of videos coming out on the channel that I'm excited to share with everybody. So definitely tune in, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really do appreciate all the support. And yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with everything. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later.